Today we will show you how to create a course in the Garmin Connect app. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app. Then access the menu by selecting More in the bottom right corner. Select Training and Planning. Then select Courses, followed by Create Course. Now you can select a course type. Options include cycling, running, and other. For this video, we will use road cycling. Next, you can choose a drawing method. Garmin Connect can automatically create a course for you, or you can create a custom course. We will select the automatic option. Now you can customize the course parameters by selecting the distance and direction you would like to travel. Next, you will need to select a starting point. This could be near your home or local park. Touch the map where you would like the course to begin. The app will then create the course based on the distance and direction of travel you selected. You can change the starting point if needed, or select Save when the course is complete. To make edits to your course, select the three dots in the lower right. Here you can edit your course, duplicate your course, or add it to favorites. Select the Send to Device icon to begin transferring the course to your device. Select the device you want to send the course to. You will see the message that you are ready to roll when the sync is complete. And that's it. You can now create a course using the Garmin Connect app. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.